Kompleto na ang second round. Ready for some West Semis predictions? Sa NBA playoff history, 15 times na nagharap ang isang team na galing sa sweep at isang team na galing sa isang 7-game battle. And 14 times out of those 15 ang nanalo ay ang team na galing sa sweep. Looks good for OKC, but Denver has the talent and championship experience to take this series to the limit. Golden State beat Minnesota 3 out of 4 games in the regular season, all without Jimmy Butler, which made the Warriors even stronger, di ba? So, tagilid naman ng Timberwolves? Hindi pa. The Timberwolves can deploy the double bigs na nagpahirap sa Warriors against the Rockets, but the Warriors can't play the zone defense on that, kasi Naz Reid will punish that zone, and Julius Randle can play bully ball like Şengün, and Anthony Edwards cannot be contained like Jalen Green. Prediction ko, aabot ng 7 games tong dalawang semis matchups na to, and OKC and Minnesota will meet in the West Finals.